Hello friends, myself Abhay Vishwakarma and you are watching Techno Droid. Today I am going to tell you how to make your channel intro in less than 1 minute. So please watch this video fully and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So first of all you have to download an app called Animated Text. You find this links in video's description. First of all open this app. Tap on the play button. Here you can write your channel name. I am writing Techno Droid. Then tap on tick button. Then on play. Here your intro is loading. Choose styles from here. I think this is the best. Then click on tick button. Save as video.